So here we have a Ford 3930. This is a late 90s model. As you can see, it has not been cleared out for some time. It's been sitting here. It did run and drive last when we parked it. It's been about 8 or 9 years. You know, these tractors are probably one of the most reliable Ford tractors in existence. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing started up. All right, here we go. Lots of cobwebs. A lot of them. Get this thing up here. All right, let's fire it up. We might need that other battery. So the first step is get you some jumper cables, and these happen to be the world's longest jumper cables. That's really gonna help us out in this sticky situation. Here we go. After 8 to 9 years, this thing still starts up after sitting. Unbelievable. Still runs pretty good. Now the trick is going to be not getting stabbed by all these weeds around me. I'm driving this thing. Clutch feels good, maybe a little stiff.